What's up, fam? Welcome back. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie Kardashian. No, I just think I am putting off very Kim Kardashian vibes today. My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. If this is your first video, I don't really talk like this. Okay. And I just wanted to use, it's basically a rose gold look because I have just been living for rose gold everything. And I just think this is like a perfect kind of spring look. You know, you could wear this nighttime, like going out, or this could also be a really good like daytime smoky eye moment going on. I was gonna wear my pink wig, but then I was like, that's gonna be too much pink, like the rose gold pink hair and the pink background. But let me know what you guys think about my background. I just bought a camera and I can't even figure out how to work it. That's why I've been gone so long. I've recorded like 5 videos, but how many of them are actually in print? None. So I had to go back to just using my phone until I learned how to figure that thing out. But anyways, so let me get into this tutorial. Don't forget to please like this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm a bad bitch and so are you. So this is where bad bitches be. What more can I say? Alright, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I'm going to be using Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using that as a transition color in my crease. I'm using a Morphe E27 blending brush to just put that in my crease. Any color that is just similar to your skin tone. I should actually be using translucent powder, but you know, I think that would be a little bit pointless. So now I'm going to be going in with this orange ColourPop eyeshadow with a Morphe 441. It's a blending brush, just a little bit more tapered than the E27. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease over where I put the peach smoothie. I want there to be some orange just like popping out behind the browns that we're going to be going in with next. I just think it gives like a beautiful look, and it helps the eye look transition nicely when you go from a lighter to a darker color. So now I am going to be going in with Amber from the HUDA Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I'll be using this Real Techniques blending brush. It's very similar to a Sigma E25 or a Morphe 443, just like a dense blending brush. And I'm going to be putting that amber on like the outer third of my eye and just using that brush to kind of pat it on, and then I slowly bring it into the crease and then go back in with the previous brush and blend it out. And now I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other side because it would be weird to just do one side of eyeshadow. You know, but if that's your thing, go for it. So now I'm going to be going in with Makeup Geek Cabin Fever, which is a matte brown. And I'm going to be using that same Real Techniques brush and just going over that amber. You don't have to use both of these browns. I'm just a little extra. So, you know, do whatever makes you happy. Now I am going to be going in with the stars of the show, the STILA Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows in Jezebel, which is a beautiful rose gold, and then Starlight, which is kind of a champagne. So I'm going to be putting the Starlight in the inner third of my eyes, and I just love these Stila eyeshadows. I am obsessed. I want like every single color possible. They're expensive as fuck. So, you know, that's just not possible. So once I put that on the inner third, next I'm going to be going in with Jezebel and just kind of putting that in the middle of the lid. And we're going to kind of connect the Starlight with the browns. So it's kind of like a transition or ombre, if you will, look from the champagne to the rose gold to the brown. And I especially love this Jezebel color. So you want to wait for these to dry. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to be going in with this Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting that in my lower waterline. The eyeliner wasn't giving me the pop of pink that I really wanted, so I'm going to go in with this ColourPop eyeshadow with a flat definer brush and go in on the lower lash line to give it a more pink effect. And I'm just going to use that and kind of blend out that pink eyeshadow and put that on the lower lash line. And that definitely gave me the pop that I was looking for. I think it just elevates the look to a completely different level. I love having that pink on the bottom. So now I'm going to be taking a brown Oud from the Huda Beauty palette with a Sephora Smoky liner brush, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner of my eye. I just kind of make a V, and you can use any dark brown, or if you even like black, you could use black as well. And then I'm going to take that Real Techniques brush and blend that out. I'm going to kind of pat it to blend it and then bring it into the crease just a tiny bit. I just want to blend the lid shadow with the colors in the crease, which is why I needed to wait for it to dry, because if not, it'll be a hot mess, girl. Now I'm going to be taking my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid liner and lining my lids. The liner will help hide the lash band. So now I'm going to be taking a black eyelining pencil by Sephora, and I'm going to be lining the upper waterline, and that will also help kind of hide the lash band and make your eyes pop. Maybe once, maybe try, but they laugh. On the side and on the other side. Anyway, fucking dog, and you see I had a vibe. But I spin it with the guy. Other side, acting like it's hot. This is not your vibe, acting like a guy. Now I'm going to be going in with mascara, and I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And this is honestly an amazing mascara. I really do love it. So I did my brows, and now I'm going to be highlighting the brow bone. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Rose Gold. So now I'm going to be priming my face using the TATCHA, the Silk Canvas primer, and it's not the most convenient thing. I'm surprised I haven't lost this little piece by now, but you use that and you're supposed to scoop the product up to the little line there and then put it on the back of your hand. It feels amazing. It honestly does feel like silk, and it's supposed to create a layer between your skin and makeup so your makeup doesn't clog your pores. And it also has a really nice scent. It just kind of smells like TATCHA, in case you're wondering why I keep smelling my fingers. So now I'm going to be going in with my DIOR Forever Undercover 24-hour foundation in Ivory. And I just like to kind of pat it or like dot it on my face, and then I go in with a brush and blend it out. And I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blurring brush, and I'm really dry, so I'm also going to be spraying it with my Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray to just give it some more moisture when I blend it out. So now I'm going to buff it out. Now I am going to be going in with concealer. I'm actually using two. The first one I'm going to go in with is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair Neutral. This one's kind of the same color as my skin tone, and I like my concealer to be a little bit lighter, so I'm also going to go in with Fair in the exact same concealer, the ColourPop one. So then I am going to be taking my Real Techniques sponge, and we are going to bounce that out, bitches. Bounce it out. You know how we do. Make sure your sponge is damp. So now I'm going to be taking the sponge and using this RCMA translucent powder, and I'm going to be setting where I put that concealer. I do kind of just a light baking technique. I don't like it to be too heavy. I mean, who am I kidding? Look, I have like the most full foundation or full coverage foundation routine there is. But this will help your concealer stay in place and kind of brighten the under eye area. So once I go over everywhere I put the concealer, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Micro Perfecting Powder in Fair, which I honestly cannot live without. I hit pan, but it's alright, I already have a backup. And I'm going to be using that kind of Ipsy brush to just put that finishing powder over my entire face. And this powder is legit magic. It just kind of smooths everything out, fills your pores, and gives your face an airbrush finish. You can't tell as much on camera as I can tell in person, but it's amazing. So now I'm going to be taking this ColourPop eyeshadow in Liar Liar with a Morphe E36 and putting that in the inner corner of my eye. And this is just going to kind of help open your eyes up. I cannot live without putting a highlight in my inner corner. So now I'm going to be going in with bronzer. I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with a Morphe E3. Just going in on the cheeks and then around the perimeter of my face as well.
Off the backboard, told a baby girl, come here. No, I want to tell you when I'm from here. How you book just to show up at the party I made with it. Only 1 year, that's not fair. Take a chance, roll the dice. Money can't buy your love cause it's overpriced.
So now I'm going to be going in with a blush. This is MAC Dainty. It's a really beautiful pink. I just had a little trouble opening it, that's all. And I'm going to go in with this Farrah Beauty brush and just put that on my cheeks. It's not too heavy of a blush, just gives your cheeks a nice flush. Look at that rhyming. I got skills, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to be highlighting with this Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit, and this is my broken one, but I'm going to be using Pink Heart, the little of it that I do have left in that pan, with an Ipsy highlighting brush. And just putting that on the top of your cheekbone, right above kind of where I put the blush. And then I like to make kind of a V, like from the outer corner of my eyebrows down. I just think that looks very nice. And then also on my Cupid's bow. Of course, can't forget the Cupid's bow. So now I'm going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay Chill setting spray. And then I'm going to put lashes on. I'm going to be putting on the Velour lashes in Fluff and Cool, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I have lashes on. It's crazy like how big of a difference lashes make. But so I can't decide between 3 lip options. I'm very prepared, I know. So one is a gloss, one is a lipstick, and then one is a liquid lipstick. Try the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Candy Ass first. It's like a pink metallic. A great way I can use that plus the gloss, and it's like a metallic. What is wrong with me? Metallic rose gold. So I can put that over this, and I think that will just be fucking bomb. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna do it with the other one too, just in case you're not big into the metallic lip. I am very much in love with it, like I'm obsessed with metallic lip. But I will use another option in case this is not your vibe. This is the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Candy Venom. And it is a hot, like, fuchsia pink. This is what I love about makeup, like just changing your lipstick can change the look so much. I really like this Fenty Beauty lipstick. It's very high pigment and it's very light on the lips, but it's so matte and like it's so opaque. So here's the finished look with the second lip option. I give you 2, boo. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked this video and this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm just the bomb.com. Okay, I've been working on my mouth pops. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace, love, support and empower each other. Do not bring each other down. Bye.